Hey guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Silhouette Cameo video. Today we're making this darting little bunny box. How cute is that? Very easy to make. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Here we are at the computer. I am already logged into the Silhouette Studio software. To get to my designs, I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and click on where it says Library. And you'll see all of my designs here. On the left hand side, I created folders. I'm going to go to the one I labeled Videos to find the project we're making, which is this one right here. This is called the Bunny Belly Box. It is by Lori Whitlock. The design ID number is 75114. Now to bring that to our work area, just going to double click on the image and you will see it here. It does come in all grouped together. So I'm going to right click on that and choose Ungroup and separate the pieces by their colors. So I'm going to grab this one over here, the ears and the nose, and I can group those two pieces together. So I'm going to highlight both of those, right click and choose Group. Then we have these pieces which are already grouped together, and then we have this one here. Now I am using 8.5 by 11 cardstock, so I'm going to remove these pieces off my mat. I'm going to send this to the Cameo, cut that out, come back and take this one off, then bring these two pieces over, and I'll cut that in the same color cardstock. Just bring that one over here. So again, I'll send this to the Cameo, cut it out, then come back, and I'm able to put the other pieces all on my mat at the same time. So I could bring my white in the upper left-hand corner, my pink in the upper right, dark pink bottom left, and then the black in the bottom right. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, cut all these out, and go to the table, and we'll put the bunny box together. Alright guys, we are back. Everything is cut out, and I realized I made a mistake on this one, so I will correct it with this one. Alright, so we have the base of the box. Let's go ahead and fold in all those score marks really well. I'm looking at it, I thought, what is that part for? And then I realized I completely forgot it on the first box. Alright, so there is that. Now I'm going to take a piece of black and we're going to put this around the eye area. And I'm just using my art glitter glue. This is linked below. Okay, and then go and put this right there. Then we have this piece that's going to go on there to hide the black piece. And you want to make sure you have this going the right direction. I'm not sure if there's a right or wrong way, but I do encourage you guys to double check that. Okay. If you want to, you can also ink the edges. I chose not to do that. Okay, that is all done. Now we have his little facial features, which is his little nose. I'm just going to put a little dollop of glue right there, just enough to hold the nose down. On my other box, I did add Wink of Stella to this piece to have it a little bit of shine. Right, then we have the ears. And the other one. Oop. Let me get a wipey real quick and wipe that off. Okay. Alright, so now we can start assembling him. So we're going to take these little flaps and we're going to put some glue on them. Thin layer, edge to edge, then bring it over to form the box. Okay, I'm going to do this side. This would look cute sitting on an office desk just filled with jelly beans. I love jelly beans. All right. I'm going to open this up and put glue on these two flaps here. Bring those down. And I glued both flaps, but I'm just lining up the first one first. Get that one kind of stuck in place, and then come over and do this side. Okay, I'm going to do his bow, or I guess her bow. I'm going to take my bone folder. Before I do that, I'm going to take some double-sided tape. If I can find the end of it. There we go. Just in the center of the bow. Take your bone folder and just create a little bit of curl. Peel this off and stick those down. And then I'm going to stick another piece back here. Just another small little piece. Right in the back to hold the strap that goes around it. Take the backing off. There we go. Take your little strap, center that, and then flip it around. And then for the back, I'm just going to take a little bit of glue back there and just squeeze that shut. And then I'm going to grab a foam square, and I only want half of it. Okay, and that's going to go in the back of that. Give that a squish. Take the backing off of that, and then we're going to stick that up there by the ear. So cute. Alright, so what I forgot on this one was the feet. I was like, what are these pieces for? They were for his feet. Alright, so let's go ahead and grab those guys. There's one. I might just stick the glue on here. Might be a little bit easier. There's two, and then we have the other one. There we go. All right, and they are going to go on here like that. They're going to kind of stick out a little bit. You can also put foam squares behind them. So I only put glue on half of that, and that's going to go here. Oh my gosh, absolutely adorable. So much cuter with the feet than mine was, but either way is fine. All right guys, there you have it. Another really simple silhouette cameo project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.